Say hi to the camera, Nom Nom. Nom Nom. I only called her that because she loves eating. What you doing, pretty bird? What you doing? You're so cute. What you doing, pretty girl? I love it when she does that. It's so cute. And she doesn't even know that she's on camera. Nom Nom, look at the camera. Look at the camera. Nice job. I guess she does know what's going on after all. And my grandma's thinking of getting another parakeet just for a companion. Because this little one's so lonely. Aren't you? You're so cute. What, you're not gonna do anything funny? No? Okay. Ava, what are you doing, silly girl?